Welcome. In this video I will show you how to cut and paste files on MacBook Air M5. So many users think that MacBooks lack the cutting feature, which in Windows we have under Ctrl+X shortcut, and on MacBook we actually have it too, although it will only works with text. So when you're working with text, you can use both Command+C for copying and Command+X for cutting out. Then Command+V will work for both. But in case of files, this will not work this way. So we cannot open files. We cannot cut the files from one directory to another in this way. Instead, you just grab a file that you want to copy. For example, let's copy this picture. You use Command+C to copy it, and then in order to paste it and paste it with removing the file from the original folder, you have to. Okay, so let's paste it on the desktop. You have to press Command+Option+V instead of Command+V, and this will paste your file to your directory and will remove it from the previous directory. So this way you basically choose to cut the file out right when you want to paste it, not before it. And this is the only difference we have here. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.